Hi, my name is Osman Lopez, and I'm here in Mr. Gandhi's engineering lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a model creation in AutoCad Inventor. Okay, so you press the 2D sketch, press the XY plane, then you press the line. You go 40 degrees up and by 35. And then you just finish the sketch, because that's all we need. You finish sketch, you zoom out, you extrude it by 50. Okay, center it. Now you start a new sketch again on the bottom. Now you put a rectangle. It should be 30 by 10. The dimension, they should be apart from the side, like by 10. Finish it, extrude it, go all the way. No. Alright, now you start the sketch, top, make a rectangle again. Ready. It should be 10 inches apart. That's good. And then extrude it again. And then you start a new sketch again to finish it off. Like 15, 20. Oh, no. And you finish it. You extrude these two by 20. That's how you're done.